Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Here is another great salad. It's one of my very favorites. This is a Deluxe Broccoli Cauliflower Salad. It's quite nutritious and pleasantly sweet. It's a great side dish and a complement to any meal. Just a reminder that my first cookbook is available on Amazon, and I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. And let's get right to making today's featured recipe. So we'll start by washing and cutting a few of the veggies that go in this. Start with broccoli. And add a little bit of cauliflower. And I place them into a strainer and wash them underneath some running water. Now we'll get on to the amounts that you'll need for this salad. So in proportion to the amount of dressing that we're going to use, I'm going to say about a cup of cauliflower and a cup of broccoli. And I cut them fairly fine. And it doesn't matter how you cut them up, it's up to you, but it's easier to eat if you cut them down into a little bit of smaller chunks. Now we'll go ahead and slap in about a tablespoon of sunflower seeds. I added a couple of teaspoons of dried cranberries. And maybe sprinkle in about a teaspoon of bacon bits. Use a small spoon and give that a good stir. So what's next? Let's slice and chop half of an apple. And I like to use a sweet apple such as maybe a Honeycrisp or a Royal Gala. Next we'll do the dressing that goes on it. It's much the same as the one I use for my coleslaw. The salad will use 2 rounded tablespoons of Miracle Whip, a bit of a rounded teaspoon of sugar, and about a teaspoon of white vinegar. And I also put a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil in this. Now stir this together until it becomes nice and creamy. Add the whole thing in on top of your salad. Sprinkle in some pepper and salt. Stir that together until the dressing coats all the ingredients. This is best if it's made up just a little bit ahead of time so that the flavors will soak in, so even an hour or so before you want to eat it. And I like to transfer it into a nice serving bowl and decorate it up a little bit. And I have a separate video to show you how to make edible roses, and that's basically what this is. But what's nice is this recipe has apple in it, so you can use the same apple to do your decorations, peel it before you do your chopping, and yeah, that works pretty well for this one. So I decorated here with apple rose, and I used a little bit of a leaf from the celery, as well as a sprig from some dill. Life should be fun, so enjoy your time in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video actually, and that you enjoy the recipe even more. If you did, please give it a comment in the comment section and a thumbs up. And until next time, happy eating! And I'll talk to you soon.